Hey guys, welcome back. It's your girl Rink Chic, and I'm back with another video. I'm going to show you how I'm going to finish off my peach cobbler. I'm a part of the Peach Dessert Collaboration 2019, hosted by This and That with Denise Jordan. So this is how I'm going to finish my cobbler. In my first video, I showed you guys how I prep my fresh peaches by peeling them and coring them. So I got them all done, and so now in this bowl, I put in a half cup of brown sugar, a half cup of white sugar, a quarter cup of cornstarch. Now I'm going to put my peaches, and I'll show you that in just a minute. Let me see. I think I can bring my camera down and you can see. Okay, so here are my peaches, and I'm tossing them gently in the sugar mixture. Okay, I'm trying to do this fast. And then there's a pinch of salt in there as well. So incorporate all those peaches in there. And I mean, when I do fresh peaches, I just feel I need homemade pie crust when I do fresh. I don't know why. And I like homemade pie crust because I like the taste of butter more than I do lard. So that's how I do that. So that's why I'm big on homemade pie crust. Okay, so it's thickening up there. And let's see, put a little, it's about a teaspoon of vanilla. That's good enough. Incorporate that. Dry my hands, because guess what? I forgot to pull out the cinnamon. So I'm going to get my cinnamon. And that's all I use. I just use a little cinnamon. And that's probably a teaspoon. That's all I need. Incorporate it. Going to taste one, make sure everything's in order. That's going to work. Got washing my hands. Okay, and here's my bottom crust here. I got a mess over here. Okay, then I'm going to go on this is about 8 cups of peaches. Okay. And that's one thing I like about rustic desserts. It doesn't have to be pretty. So that's why I love cobblers. And then some of my family members, you never even got a bottom crust. They just put those peaches in there. Then I'm going to put a little bit of butter, a few dots of butter in there. Okay. And then for my top crust, I rolled it out and put that crust. Okay. I rolled it out and I put it in strips.